Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change a mirror on a Ram 3500. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench, a trim removal tool, and your new mirror assembly. Make sure your truck is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off to ensure your safety throughout the process. This simple preparation will make the entire replacement much smoother and quicker for you. Next, gently pry off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This reveals the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Once the panel is off, carefully disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions. Then, use your socket wrench to unbolt the old mirror from the door frame. Keep these bolts handy for the new installation. Now, take your new mirror and carefully position it, aligning the mounting holes with those on the door frame. Hand tighten the bolts first to ensure proper alignment, then use your socket wrench to fully secure them. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, making sure it clicks firmly into place. This ensures all mirror functions, like power adjustments, will work correctly. Before you reattach the door panel, thoroughly test all functions of your new mirror, including power adjustments, heating, and any integrated turn signals. Once everything is working perfectly, carefully reinstall the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. This easy method saves you time and money. And hey, if you're looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.